Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Washpod is probably one of the most innovative and convenient solutions for keeping your personal items clean and organized on the go, especially for travelers, campers, and anyone who needs a compact and efficient way to manage their toiletries and small essentials without the bulk of traditional bags or kits. This unique product aims to revolutionize how we pack and access our hygiene products, offering a sleek, self-contained system that simplifies the entire process from packing to usage and even cleaning. Number 5. Apple AirPods Pro. Experience sound like never before with active noise cancellation. It blocks out the world so you can focus on what matters. Need to hear what's going on? Transparency mode lets you tune back into your surroundings. It's perfect for conversations or staying aware. Find your perfect fit with 3 sizes of soft silicone tips. They ensure a comfortable and secure seal for all-day wear. Don't let a little sweat or water stop you. These are designed to withstand your workouts and daily activities. Enjoy music that's perfectly tuned for you. Adaptive EQ automatically adjusts the sound to the unique shape of your ear. Setting them up is effortless with all your Apple devices. Plus, you can access Siri hands-free just by saying, "Hey Siri." Keep the music going with the wireless charging case. It provides over 24 hours of total listening time on a single charge. What we like? Experience unparalleled audio immersion with advanced noise cancellation. These earbuds offer a secure and comfortable fit for all-day wear. If you're deeply invested in the Apple ecosystem and seek effortless connectivity and premium sound, these are the perfect choice for you. What people say. The sound is great and always clear. I like that I can turn volume up or down by swiping the arm. They connected to my phone immediately and I envy our loose connection. The Pros fit very comfortably. They also charge quickly and the battery can easily last me 3 to 4 10-hour shifts. This set was purchased to replace some that fell out of my husband's ears while he was shoveling 6 inch or so of snow in the driveway. He looked all over but could not spot them against the white snow. About 3 weeks later, after another snowfall, rain, and extremely cold temperatures, and finally melting, our young granddaughter brought the missing bud in and asked if that was the one we lost. My husband tried it out and it is working well. My husband loves music and he loves these earbuds. He finds that they fit him well, which many do not, and are very simple to use. So, our AirPods Pro have proved far more heavy-duty than expected. The sound quality is crisp, balanced, and immersive, with bass that's punchy without overpowering mids and highs. I particularly love the fit and comfort as the customizable silicone tips make them feel secure for extended wear, whether I'm commuting, working out, or just relaxing at home. The transparency mode is also incredibly useful, letting me hear surroundings without removing the AirPods, which adds a layer of practical safety and convenience that many other earbuds lack. Number 4. Tide PODS Spring Meadow Laundry Detergent, 81 count. Introducing Tide PODS in the refreshing Spring Meadow scent. Experience a powerful clean that leaves your laundry smelling fresh and vibrant. These convenient pods offer an effortless cleaning experience. Simply toss one in and let it work its magic on your toughest stains. Get more washes with this value-packed 81 count container. It's the perfect size for busy households needing a reliable detergent. Our advanced formula is tough on dirt and grime, yet gentle on your clothes. Enjoy brilliantly clean and soft fabrics after every wash. Discover the difference that Tide PODS can make in your laundry routine. Achieve a superior clean with unparalleled ease and a delightful scent. What we like? Achieve a powerful clean with these convenient laundry pods. They offer a hassle-free way to get your clothes fresh and spotless. If you value efficiency and a consistently clean laundry experience, these are an excellent option for busy households. What people say. The pods are super convenient, no measuring, no spills, just toss 1 or 2 for heavy loads, in and go. They dissolve perfectly even in cold water, tackle tough stains like grass, food, and sweat marks, and leave clothes smelling fresh and clean without any overpowering scent. My whites stay bright, colors don't fade, and there's 0 residue or film on fabrics. Great for sensitive skin too, no irritation for anyone in the family. These clean really well, get out everyday stains, and leave clothes smelling fresh without being overpowering. I love that they are 3-in-1, stain remover, odor fighter, and color protector, so I don't need to add anything extra. Number 3. Apple AirPods Pro, 1st Gen, with MagSafe. Experience your audio like never before. Active noise cancellation silences distractions, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your favorite music or podcasts. Need to hear what's happening around you? Transparency mode lets you tune back into the world without missing a beat. It's perfect for conversations or staying aware of your surroundings. Discover a new dimension of listening with spatial audio. Dynamic head tracking places sound all around you, creating a truly theater-like experience. Enjoy music that's perfectly tuned just for you. Adaptive EQ automatically adjusts the sound to the unique shape of your ear, delivering optimal audio quality. Finding the perfect fit is easy. With 3 sizes of soft silicone tips, you can ensure a snug and comfortable seal for the best sound and performance. Manage your audio and calls with ease. The intuitive force sensor allows you to control your entertainment, answer or end calls, and much more, all with a simple press. What we like? Dive into a truly immersive audio experience with spatial audio and active noise cancellation. The customizable fit ensures maximum comfort and sound isolation. If you're looking for a premium audio experience that surrounds you and blocks out distractions, these are a fantastic option. What people say. Noise cancelling mode, which instantly sucks the background noise out so well for a moment you'll think you've gone deaf. Transparency mode, my favorite, which beautifully mixes the original sound source, music, podcast, etc., with the sound of your own breath and the outside world. The levels are perfectly adjusted to give you an amazingly crisp listening experience while remaining aware of your surroundings. The noise cancellation works very well when you need to tune out outside noise to focus, study, or are trying to sleep on an airplane. Number 2. Beats Solo 3 Wireless On-Ear Headphones. Introducing the Beats Solo 3 Wireless On-Ear Headphones. Experience seamless connectivity and exceptional sound quality for your daily listening needs. These headphones are powered by the Apple W1 chip, offering advanced Bluetooth connectivity. Enjoy a stable and efficient wireless experience. With an incredible battery life of up to 40 hours, you can listen all day and then some. They are perfect for long commutes or extended listening sessions. Never worry about a low battery again. With fast fuel technology, a quick 5-minute charge provides an impressive 3 hours of playback. Enjoy a comfortable, adjustable fit with cushioned ear cups designed for everyday wear. Their sleek, durable, and foldable design makes them easy to take anywhere. These headphones are compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Connect effortlessly and enjoy your music, podcasts, and calls. What we like? Enjoy an incredible 40 hours of listening time with these wireless headphones. Fast fuel technology provides hours of playback with just a short charge. If you need headphones that last all day and offer superior comfort for extended listening sessions, these are the ideal companion. What people say. They are fast charging and holds charge for a long time. The noise cancelling works amazingly. They are super clear with audio as long as you have a strong connection to your device. Great sound and long battery life. These headphones are comfortable and have great sound quality. The battery life lasts a long time, which is perfect for daily use, workouts, or travel. They connect easily and stay charged for days, making them very convenient. Noise isolation is way better than people give credit for, works about as well as the active noise cancellation on my AirPods Pro 2. I can feel the bass. Can hear all kinds of details in music. Electronic music sounds absolutely amazing. Classical sounds amazing, way better than AirPods Pro 2. Folk sounds amazing, and it's like someone's playing a really high-end guitar right next to me while also serenading me. Piano also sounds especially amazing. They feel durable, even at hinges. Pairing with an iPhone is extremely easy. Charging seems pretty fast, and while I do wish it would show me the percentage while charging, I really appreciate seeing the percentage in the battery widget while connected because other non-Apple Bluetooth headphones don't have that and I'm left guessing how much is left on the tiny control center icon with those. Number 1. WaterWipes Sensitive Plus Baby Wipes. Introducing WaterWipes Sensitive Plus. Designed for the most delicate skin, these wipes offer a gentle yet effective clean. They are perfect for everyday use on your newborn and baby. Made with 99.9% water, our sensitive wipes are as pure as nature intended. They are unscented and hypoallergenic, ensuring the utmost care for your baby's sensitive skin. Experience the 3-in-1 benefits of our wipes. They not only cleanse effectively but also care for and protect your baby's delicate skin with every use. We understand the importance of gentle care. That's why our wipes are hypoallergenic and have been dermatologically tested to be safe for sensitive skin. This value pack contains 720 wipes, divided into 12 convenient packs. Keep them at home or on the go for whenever you need a gentle clean. Join countless parents who trust WaterWipes Sensitive Plus for their baby's skincare needs. Experience the difference of pure and gentle cleansing. What we like. These wipes are made with 99.9% pure water, making them incredibly gentle for your baby's delicate skin. They are unscented and hypoallergenic, perfect for newborns and sensitive skin. If you prioritize natural ingredients and the utmost care for your baby's well-being, these are the ultimate choice. What people say. They're super gentle and perfect for my baby's sensitive skin, no irritation at all. The texture is soft but durable, and they clean up messes easily without feeling rough. They are mostly water with a hint of grapefruit extract. They are gentle enough to use anywhere. I even sometimes use them to remove my makeup in a pinch, even scrub off mascara. Also, there is no heavy fragrance to water wipes, which I can't stand in most baby products. They clean the best, they are always moist, there's no scent, and they have such simple minimal ingredients. The wipes are durable and work well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.